Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not working on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, go into the settings, navigate into the security and privacy, device unlock, face and fingerprint unlock, type in your password, then fingerprint, delete your fingerprint, and add fingerprint. Now lift your phone and touch the fingerprint. Touch and lift your finger from every angle possible. And we're nearly done. Okay. Done. You can also take a microfiber and right here clean the fingerprint sensor. Then take your phone and try again. And as you can see, it is working. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.